Hi everyone, it's almost Father's Day and I searched far and wide for a good gift and haven't found any yet. So I thought, why not make the perfect container instead? So presenting an origami box. You can also have different size boxes and put them in each other like boxes within boxes. Anyways, let's get started. There will be a top and bottom to this gift box. You'll need one square piece of paper for each. I will make a box with a yellow top and a blue bottom. And to make the top fit nicely, the bottom square should be about 1 inch shorter. As a general rule, you'll need a piece of paper 3 times the length and width of the box you want. Okay, we're ready to start folding. Let's start by making the yellow lid. We'll start on the side opposite the one we want the color of the box to be. Fold the top right corner down to the bottom left. Unfold and fold the top left corner down to the bottom right. Unfold and now fold the bottom edge to the top. Unfold again and fold the right edge to the left. Unfold and now fold the 4 corners to the center to make a smaller square. Now fold the bottom edge to the middle. Fold the top edge there as well. And open back up to the smaller square and turning it 90 degrees. Open up the top and bottom folds. Fold along the vertical creases to make a rectangle with 2 pointy tips. Fold the top tip down to meet with the top of the bottom tip. Unfold and fold the bottom tip up to the bottom of the top tip. Unfold and now here's the tricky part. Refold the top flap down to about 90 degrees. Pick up one of the folds at the bottom and press it against the side to make one side of the container. Reinforce the edge. Do the same with the other 3 sides. Now complete the box by folding the flaps at the ends down against the side and bottom of the box. Do so again on the other side. And one half of the box is now complete. Now we will do the same with the smaller square. And we're done. And the yellow lid fits perfectly over the blue bottom too. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more, here is my latest video. The best of luck to you if you're trying to find the perfect gift for your dad as well. See ya!